Welcome to Learning Point. So in the previous video we have created a toolbar and added two other elements like tab, layout and view pager in our activity main. Now it's time to create three new activities, not activities actually but fragments. Fragments are very similar to activities, but they are used in a screen to switch between them. For example, let me launch the previous version of the app which I have already created, so that I can let you understand what the fragments are. For example, here this whole part is a fragment and it is displayed inside a view pager, and it is called, for now I've given it a title of images fragment. And if you switch to files fragment, this is another fragment, and this is also displayed on the screen, on the same screen. When you click on one of these tabs, this fragment is switched. So that's why we use fragment, not activities. If you click videos and the new activity launch, that's not the way actually. So first of all, create three fragments for all these. So for now I'm gonna be creating first class. Right click on your package and create a new Java class. Name it whatever you like. I'm going to name it images class, or images fragment, and super class needs to be fragment here, and write sport.v4.app fragment, this one. Select it and press OK. Now the class is created. First of all, create a constructor for it, like this: images fragment public, just like this. This is now the constructor for it. And there is another method which needs to be overridden, that is on create view, this one right here. Just type on create and it will be displayed here, and select it from there. Also you can select it from if you go to code right there and override methods, and here you just type on create, and from there you can select on create view. There somewhere it will be. If not, just keep typing on create view. It is actually not there. Why it isn't there, I don't know the reason, but you can get it from here. Just type on create and it will be there. So this is images fragment. Now create similar to other fragments, bit like this. I'm going to copy this and just paste it over there and rename it. For example, videos fragment, and just go to it and change the name of no, it's alright, perfectly alright. Just same, paste it again here and name it files fragment. Now all the three fragments are done. Now it's time to create three views for them. So in order to create views, just go to layout and right click on it and create new layout resource file, and first one, name it images, and don't use capital letters, just use small letters, images underscore layout. Press OK and it's created. And now first of all, just create a text view inside it. Give it a width and height of wrap content, and give it a text of for example images fragment. you can put any view here. I'm just using a text view in order to just to show you that how it works. So that's all right. Now we need to connect it to its constraints. So just from there I'm going to connect it. Just press the plus button and it will be connecting, and remove this margin here, make it 0. Now it's alright. Now we need to change its style so that it will be visible. For example, I'm going to change, for example, first of all its size 20 sp, and next I'm going to give it a weight of not weight, just text style, change it to bold so that it could be easily seen. So here we go. That's alright. So we need to create similar views for other two fragments, so I'm going to copy and paste them here, change the name just to videos, layout, and everything needs to be same, and here change it again, copy it, paste it, and change the name to files layout, and in files layout just change this text view files fragment, and in videos layout just change this to videos layout. So this is perfectly alright. Next, the three views are created. Now we need to attach these views to all of these three fragments. So in order to attach these views, first of all we need to create a view object. As you know, this function is returning a view, so we need to create a view and inflate that view in this function to return that. So first of all I'm going to be creating a view object. View is equal to, here I'm getting an inflator object, so by using this I'm going to inflate the layout which we have just created. Inflator.inflate is the method which we will be calling, and give it the ID of the layout, r.layout dot, for example this is images class, so I'm going to inflate images layout right there. And next argument will be container. Here I'm getting the container, no need to create it, just pass it over there. And next fragment will be false. This is actually I'm giving it a root that don't attach it to root, so that's why I'm passing it false right there. So we don't need to call the super on create, just return view, as simple as that, and it's done. Same for other two, just replace one line of code that here needs to be videos layout instead of that, and here needs to be files layout. So perfect. So now we have created three fragments, and accordingly there are three layouts, and in the next video we will be making it work, and we will create an adapter for them to work perfectly, that when you click on a fragment that switches. For example, right here when I click on videos it switches to videos, when I click on images it switches to images. So this functionality is still to add, so we will be adding this in the next video. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, I'll catch you in the next video.